Number 4 is Creality Resin LD-006 3D printer. The Creality Resin LD-006 3D printer is an optimistic leap into the world of intricate creations. With its dazzling 8.9-inch monochrome 4K HD LCD screen boasting a remarkable resolution of 3840 by 2400 dpi, your designs will emerge with unparalleled clarity. But wait, there's more! The LD-006 flaunts an upgraded 2 degrees angled matrix light source and a transmission system that dances gracefully with the 4K mono LCD. What's the result? A symphony of precision that paints every detail with breathtaking accuracy. And for those who want to stretch their creativity, the LD-006 offers a canvas of possibilities. A spacious printing playground measuring 7.55 by 4.72 by 9.84 inches gives your imagination the elbow room it craves. The interface? Well, it's as easy as pie, a 4.3-inch full-color touch screen that's your wizard for managing real-time printing wonders. Now, let's talk washing and curing. Imagine a machine that gobbles up models up to 9.5 by 6.3 by 7.9 inches. Yes, the LD-006 doesn't just print big, it pampers your creations with a 2-in-1 washing and curing extravaganza. Take yours today by clicking on the link in the description box and take your 3D printing to the next level. Number 5.